Hey tech enthusiasts! Glowing Star, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, the next-gen flagship that's set to redefine what we expect from smartphones. With versatile capabilities that often replace laptops and desktops, let's explore why more RAM is essential for this powerhouse device and what exciting features we can expect. Versatile device. In recent years, smartphones have become the go-to devices for gaming, work, media consumption, and even professional-grade photo and video editing. As apps and software become more demanding, having more RAM is vital to maintain optimal performance. This is especially true for flagship devices like the Galaxy S series, which cater to a wide range of users, including tech enthusiasts, gamers, and professionals. Expected features. Samsung is all set to introduce the Galaxy S25 Ultra next month, and the buzz is real. The entire range will run on the new Snapdragon 8 Elite CPU, ensuring top-notch performance. Leaked tests have shown the S25 Ultra with 12 GB of RAM, but there are indications that higher configurations with up to 16 GB of RAM might also be available. Storage options. According to noted tipster Jano Reeve, we can expect three probable storage options: 256 GB, 512 GB, and 1 TB. The latter two options are expected to feature 16 GB of RAM, providing an edge over competitors like the Google Pixel 9 Pro and the top-end OnePlus 12. Design and build. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to feature an entirely new design, moving away from the boxy shape to a more comfortable and stylish curved design. It will likely sport a stunning 6.86-inch AMOLED display with smaller bezels, enhancing both usability and aesthetic appeal. Performance enhancements. Powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite, this device is built to handle sophisticated tasks effortlessly. The enhanced RAM capacity will make multitasking a breeze. The camera system is expected to be top-tier, with a 200-megapixel main camera, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and two telephoto lenses with 3x and 5x hybrid optic zoom. Display innovations. While Samsung's display division is known for supplying high-quality panels to other brands, the S25 Ultra will feature unique improvements like better power efficiency, color accuracy, and vibrancy. The new flagships should also include a breakthrough anti-reflective coating for clear vision outdoors. Battery and charging. There are rumors of a new battery AI functionality that can extend battery life by limiting processor and 5G modem usage based on your habits. Charging speeds are expected to remain the same, with 45W cable charging for the S25 Plus and Ultra, and 25W for the basic S25. Wireless charging and reverse wireless charging will also be supported, with potential upgrades like magnetic wireless charging for better alignment and efficiency. Conclusion. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be a game-changer in the smartphone market. With advanced features, a stylish design, and powerful performance, it's perfect for tech enthusiasts, gamers, and professionals. Stay tuned for more updates as we get closer to the launch date.